Here we are at the McCarty residence. We're about to do a repair attempt on the irreparability of the shingle itself. It is a discontinued shingle. We're just here to prove that it is irreparable. We start off by breaking the seals and taking the nails off of the shingles up top. The seals are very fragile, so with wind, it will go right away. By taking the shingles out, the granular loss is super substantial. As you can see already, with this type of shingle, the granules come off extremely easily. Here we are already. It already created a crease right there as well. Right there as well on that shingle. This concludes the repair attempt at the McCarty residence. As you can see, like I had stated before, the shingles itself created a crease right here at the top while replacing this shingle right here. There's another crease right here, as you can see, all across the top there. And everything is, the granules have substantially deteriorated by doing this repair attempt as well.